Hey everyone, I'm back with another review of a Xiaomi product, and that's their newest Bluetooth speaker. I decided that for $25 I've got to hear how it sounds, because until now I have the impression that Xiaomi products are able to deliver great quality and they're cheap. So let's unbox the speaker. As you can see, it's just the speaker in the box. There is no USB charging cable or any other things. It comes with this rubber protective band. This is the LED indicator, and on the back we have the charging port. On the bottom there is rubber, so you can place this speaker literally on any surface without fearing that it will slip. This is the transport protective band. It's placed in this small crack here because the top of the speaker, it's actually used to control it. If you press and hold down, you will turn it on, and respectively you will turn it off. As you can see, the LED is blinking, indicating that we are connected to a device. As I said, if you rotate the top of the speaker, you can increase or decrease the volume. As you can see, it rotates very smoothly, so it provides very tactile response, and you feel when you rotate it and you adjust the volume. And about the sound, what I can say, it packs a timpani horn, which is able to deliver up to 5 watts of clean sound, and it offers up to 7 hours of continuous playback. For sure, for that price, this speaker sounds very nice. I love the sound very well. It's clean, it's crystal sound, but unfortunately it sounds a bit stereo. There's not that much bass. For sure it can fill a room when you max out the volume, and you can hear every detail of the music, from the vocals to the guitars to the drums, but it doesn't have this warm, this deep sound which, for example, Bose SoundLink, the first edition, can offer. For sure, it's not a very good comparison because this one costs around $20 while the Bose costs around $120. But nevertheless, you can check the description below for sound comparison between both of them. And now let's hear how this one sounds. So that's the sound, you can judge for yourself. For sure I can tell that I like that one a lot, and with its small size, because it's not very expensive, I'll carry that one with myself almost everywhere I go, and I definitely recommend that one. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and see you in the next one, guys.